Hey, my name is Adrian from Lightspeed London. Today we're going to look at how to make a sale on your new point of sale system. Let's get started. To make a sale in Lightspeed, we'll navigate over to our left and hit Sales. We'll start a new sale by hitting the Add New Sale button. And then we'll select the blue box, and we can choose to barcode scan a label that will bring up the item of a checkout, or we can just manually type in the name of the item and it will bring it up here. I could also just hit search on the blue box and it will bring up a database of my existing items. I want to select my aubergine bubble lamp and I'll hit plus add. And then I can change the quantity of the items I want to sell. So I'm going to sell 2 aubergine bubble lamps. At that point, I'm going to go to payment, and then the customer will choose how they're going to pay. Let's say they choose to pay £600 with cash, and the remaining balance they want to pay with their Visa card. I don't have to type in the 140, I can just hit max. At that point, I want to finish the sale, and then print the receipt for them. As you can see, the receipt has printed, and you have the same information that was present on the checkout here, the taxable amount, the amount that they brought, the price that they paid, and how they paid as well. You can also print out a gift receipt that has the same information without the pricing information. And also you have the email receipt button as well, in which you can email the same receipt to this customer. To find out more information about how to make a sale, together with a video, please visit our website for our help documentation on this. Thank you for watching.